If you're looking to drive high-intent organic traffic to your website and engage visitors to become customers, then you're seriously missing a trick if you're not producing question-based content. In this short video, I want to show you how you can find question-based keywords in your niche that you can produce content around. To illustrate this, I'm going to use one of our customers, a company called Prepper, which is a SaaS service that allows people to automate their social media feeds. So that's posting to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. The tool I'm going to use to do our keyword analysis is Ahrefs, which you might have already heard of or perhaps even use. There's many tools out there to do keyword research. This is just our preferred tool. To start the analysis, I need a primary keyword in our niche. So Instagram would work well for Prepper. I'm going to do the search in Google, and I'm going to do it for the United States market as our target audience is based there. As you can see, this keyword's enormous, which isn't a surprise. There's 172 million search volume globally every month for this keyword. The thing I want to draw your eye to is keyword difficulty. This is a Ahrefs measure of how difficult it is to rank for this keyword on page 1. 96 is incredibly difficult, which isn't a surprise. The nice thing with Ahrefs is on the left-hand side here, it provides keyword ideas. This first one is phrase match ideas. So these are phrases that have the keyword in the phrase. And as you can see, there's literally millions of them, 3.6 million keywords that have Instagram in the phrase. And that's far too many to analyze, obviously, but there's ways to isolate this down. For the purposes of this video, I want to focus on what Ahrefs is recommending in terms of question-based keywords. And as you can see, Ahrefs has found 347,000 keywords with our primary keyword in the question, so how to delete Instagram, etc. Now, going back to our measure of keyword difficulty, 347,000 is far too many keywords to analyze. So what I want to do is I want to focus on keywords that have a reasonable level of difficulty, in which case I'm pretty confident we can potentially rank for those keywords. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on keyword difficulty, and I'm going to set that to a maximum of 10. And then I also want to focus on keywords that have a reasonable search volume. Obviously, I don't want to produce content that doesn't have a search volume that's worthy of actually spending the time to produce the content. So I'm going to set this at a minimum of 1,000. That's 1,000 searches globally a month. And as you can see, that's isolated our number from 347,000 keywords to a much more manageable number, which is 41 keywords. Now, casting an eye down this list pretty quickly, I can see pretty much all of these keywords would be relevant to our niche. In other words, people searching for these keywords would also potentially be interested in social media automation. Looking at this top keyword, does Instagram notify when you screenshot a story? Ahrefs is saying the keyword difficulty on this is 0, and it's got a really good search volume, 6,700 searches a month. So this would be a really exciting keyword to go after. But the next question to find out is, what does the search result look like and how competitive is this keyword? The beauty with Ahrefs is it provides a measure of the authority of websites, and that measure is called the domain rating. So as you can see here, this is the top 10 search results on that keyword in Google. And what I want to focus on is this domain rating, just to see, are there any websites ranking for this keyword that aren't particularly strong in terms of their authority? And the first few, no surprise, they're relatively strong. This DR is a measure from 0 to 100 on a logarithmic scale. But further down here, I can see there's some weaker websites, 27, 39. I can also see how many backlinks these pages have. So I can see these few down here don't even have backlinks, and these only have a few. This one doesn't have, this one doesn't have. So can our client rank for this keyword? Hell yeah, they can rank for it, because I know that they are a DR53. And therefore, they slot in very nicely around here in terms of their power of their website. And with 1 or 2 backlinks, once we've written this content, I'm pretty sure they could rank for and get a ton of traffic. So I hope that's been useful in terms of how to go about finding question-based keywords in your niche and how to use a tool like Ahrefs to do that. If you want to have a chat with us to see how we can potentially help you to find these types of keywords, click the button below for a strategy call, and we'll be more than happy to have a chat with you. Thanks.